Will you suffer with back pain all your life? Easily, without question, without doubt, the number one most commonly asked question, worry and fear that any person who's ever had back pain will experience or ask. Will this thing happen to me for the rest of my life is one of the things that people want to know pretty quickly when they come in for physio. So on this video, what we'll do is we'll look at the reasons it could happen to you for the rest of your life, and obviously very importantly, what you need to do, what you can be doing right now to stop this from becoming a problem that will happen to you for the rest of your life. Fundamental underneath the whole thing of trying to stop this back pain from being a problem to you for the rest of your life is exercises. You need strength in the muscles that protect your spine, protect the base of your back, the discs, the ligaments and the joints. And on this video, obviously if you are watching this video anywhere in the northeast, I'm presuming that you're in a lot of pain or you're suffering and you're fed up with back pain. You need to be doing exercises. So on this video I'll show you how to get access to your free exercises that you can start your recovery from your back pain today. So keep watching the video and I'll tell you exactly how you can do that. Before I do a quick introduction to myself, my name is Paul Goff, that's me. I'm one of the leading UK physios. I'm also a health columnist for some of the region's newspapers such as the Northern Echo and the Hartlepool Mail. So I spend a lot of time writing about back injuries, I spend a lot of time treating back injuries, I go into unis talking about back injuries. So back injuries to me, super common. So on this video I'll give you as much advice and inside sort of tips as best I can. That's me in my previous career working with Darlington and Middlesbrough Football Club, and more recently in America working with Manchester United footballer Paul Scholes. So suffering lifelong back pain will depend upon four things. A weakness. The reason 19 out of 20 people will suffer back pain isn't because of the twist or the slip or the fall that they think has caused their back pain. It's because of a weakness in the muscles. That slip or that twist or that fall happened, but if your muscles had been strong enough, you wouldn't be experiencing the back pain that you are now. So it's down to a weakness in the muscles, which is why the exercises that we as physios will give you to do are so important. They are, I couldn't explain to you how, when it comes to back pain, important these exercises are for you to be doing. So one of the things that you'll get from us, and you can actually get on this video, like I say, are exercises to begin your recovery from back pain today. Next is bad habits returning when the pain is gone. And what that means is when a person suffers back pain, so this is happening to you possibly now as you watch this video, you've adapted into a posture, a sitting position, a habit of lifting something, a habit of leaning forwards, a habit of getting out of the car, all to avoid pain. Now, in the short term, that's pretty good because it restricts your pain. But where it's a problem in the long term is if you're still doing it week after week, month after month, is that your spine adapts and changes. And that's not good. So if you develop bad habits when the pain is gone, so you are currently doing those things to avoid the pain, but then all of a sudden the pain isn't there anymore, but you're still doing these bad habits and sitting in a slightly funny position or going back to sitting in a bad posture or a bad position when the pain is gone, then you're going to develop longer term back problems. And think of it like this: when you're in pain, how likely is it that you will lift right, you'll sit right, you'll do the right things? When that pain is gone, pain serves often as a reminder, and it's sometimes the only reminder that people have to do things right. So you need to think about the bad habits that develop through your pain, and you also need to develop out the bad habits that will develop when pain isn't there. And that comes onto this, the next thing of posture adapting. So as your posture adapts over time, which it does naturally anyway, but it's more likely to happen as a result of an injury. So if you lift or you twist in a certain way, you sit at work in a certain position, if you do that in an attempt to avoid pain, and over time you do that day after day, week after week, month after month, you're now sitting in a posture which isn't right, isn't what your spine wants to do. It feels comfortable at the time, usually because it's easier, and it's normally easier because your muscles aren't strong enough to help you do it properly. Then you will develop longer term back pain, and you'll be much more of a candidate to suffer back pain all of your life. And it also comes down to how quickly you access physio or you access advice or treatment in the early days. I've treated so many people who, and I can think of one guy who 25 years ago hurt his back and he waited almost 25 years before he did anything about it. And he suffers regularly with back pain. It's because of the weakness that was created 20 to 25 years ago. He didn't get any exercises, he didn't take any advice, he developed really bad posture habits, he sits wrong, and it's really, really difficult to correct 25 years down the line. So as a result now, physio for him is about pain relief, and we're now trying to look at ways of improving his posture. We ain't never going to change it, but we can improve it. So there are still things that we can do, but it's just so much better if you can access physio quickly. And physio can definitely help. You need hands-on treatment, and hands-on treatment includes deep tissue massage, so that's for the muscles that have tightened. Your joints have locked. We'll do things like mobilization and manipulation. You also need an explanation of your injury that's specific to you. And obviously on this video I'm giving a general explanation of what back pain is and how to stop it from happening for the rest of your life, but we need to give one to you. If you have a certain job, a certain posture, a certain role, we look at that and we'll give you your exercises specific to that. And those are the things, that type of communication is what will prevent lifelong problems. Like I mentioned earlier, exercises, they are so vital, they're fundamental, they are the number one thing that you need to be doing to stop back pain, to get rid of the pain that you're in right now, but also to stop it from being a long-term problem. This is how you do it on this webpage that you're looking at right now, just below this video. You're looking for something that looks like this. Start your recovery now. You'll get access to free home exercises that our physios have designed that we give out to members of this physio clinic to begin their back pain recovery. You can start this today. You just need to put your name, your email address, hit the button, and you will get these exercises within seconds. They are 3 of the most powerful exercises that I could ever give you to begin to strengthen your back, and are the first level of exercises that we will give out to any person that comes in with back pain, because they're so good, so helpful. The first level usually lasts for about a week to 2 weeks, and at that point you need more exercises, and we up the levels every time they get a little bit easier. So what to expect from physio if you were coming in to see us? It's quite simple. I wouldn't go into all of we'll give you exercises, we'll give you hands-on treatment, we'll do all of the advice, we'll give you everything that you need. But if I was to sum it up, if you were to stop me in the street and ask me what physiotherapy can do to help you, I would say that we'd guide you back to a lifestyle where you're free to call the shots, you're free from the restriction of pain and also from the frustration. Pain, you're probably experiencing this already, pain is stopping you from sleeping at night, it's stopping you from doing a sport that you want, it's stopping you from sitting right at work, and the frustration is also the one that you wake up every day thinking, is this pain going to go? How long is it going to last? Is it going to be with me forever? Am I going to have to go through this pain while I'm on holiday in the next few weeks? So these are all the things that physiotherapy can do to help you to get out of your pain and frustration as quickly as possible. And to book physio with us, the telephone number that you need is 0800 043 8671. Our clinics are right around the northeast. We're in Darlington, Durham, Guisborough and Hartlepool. We'll be more than happy to hear from you. If you want to speak to a physio before you book, if you want more exercises, please give us a call. We'll do our best to explain everything that we can. But now that you're watching this video, please, if you don't take anything else from it, take the exercises that you can get on this webpage and begin your recovery from back pain, and more importantly, reduce the risk of this pain happening to you again and again and again and again. You need to be doing strength exercises to stop that. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Take care, and hopefully we'll see you soon.